First, we want to make a biography of Hubble, and then we want to tell about the Hubble telescope. Edward Powell Hubble was born on 20 November 1889. He died 28 September 1953 in Marshville, Missouri, and moved to Walton, Illinois before his first birthday. He studied mathematics and astronomy at the University of Chicago and earned a Bachelor of Science degree in 1990. He was one of the first Rhodes Scholars at Oxford University, where he studied law. After serving briefly in World War I, he returned to the University of Chicago and earned a doctorate degree in 1917. After a long career entirely at Matt Wilson Observatory, he died of a heart attack on September 28, 1953, in San Marino, California. As with the telescope that bears his name, Edward Hubble transformed our understanding of the universe. His spirit of discovery lives today in the Hubble Space Telescope. He was an American astronomer for whom Hubble Space Telescope he was one of the leading astronomers in 20th century. The Hubble Telescope. The Hubble Telescope was launched in 1990. Hubble is one of NASA's most successful and long-lasting missions. Hubble is placed 353 miles or 569 kilometers above the surface of Earth.
Every 19.7 minutes, Hubble completes a spin around Earth with a speed about 8 kilometers per second, which means that Hubble can cross whole the United States in just 10 minutes. Hubble is a telescope called Cassegrain reflector. It's the telescope's main mirror. It bounces off the primary mirror and into a secondary one which focuses the light into a hole in the center of the primary mirror that leads to the telescope's science instruments. Hubble primary mirror is 95 inches or 2 meters in diameter. It's a small mirror compared with ground-based telescope which can be 10 meters and over, but Hubble's location plays a remarkable role. One of Hubble's most spectacular science instruments is the WFC-3, the wide-field camera. It sees 3 kinds of light: ultraviolet, visible, and near-infrared. The cosmic origins spectrograph is a spectrograph that sees exactly